The other day I trimmed this mount down for this brake reservoir and I accidentally nicked it a little bit. So you can see it's leaking a little bit of fluid, so let's fix that. So this is the kit I'm using, just a little butane soldering iron. I've taken off the soldering tip. I've put on a new tip so we can use this one for plastic burning, plastic welding. Tip, if you're going to fix bumpers and things like that, you can actually use a cable tie as like your filler rod. Melt into it very easily. Okay, so I am actually opting for the cable tie. It's sort of helping a little bit. Just melting a little bit on there at a time. Not too much heat in here because I don't want to burn through. One repaired reservoir. No more leaks.